up, beautiful people? What's up? How you guys doing? Hope you guys are well and keeping up. I went to church and I'm only prepping my meal now that I came from church. So I'm having ghee here. I'm going to use ghee today to what? To roast my Sunday meal. So I'm having baby potatoes there. Going to coat them with fat. Ghee is omade odongombe. Ghee is komasam. Ghee is omadi ngobe. What is ghee? What is ghee in all the other Namibian languages? So I'm going to sprinkle on some salt. Yeah, just salt, enough salt. And then I'll add my chicken. Somehow this chicken is still cold, but I did not season it. So I want to season it on top here. Just so you see how I season my meat. Someone said, Karen, you must show us your recipes. But I always just season my things all the same every time. Yeah. All the same. That was salt. So I'm going to add my white seasoning blend. Just white seasoning blend there. I'm not going to be dramatic with this chicken, yeah? Not going to be dramatic. No drama at all, yeah? So I'm going to add chicken seasoning to it. Just going to go with a simple dish. Yeah, so I believe that will flavor it from the inside. Nice. My olive oil is finished. I just want to coat it there so that the spice cannot fall off. And then how do I place it here? Will it fit like this? Yeah, it does. So I'm going to put it like this. Going to put it like this into this tray. Going to put it in like that, like so, like that. So we are going to season on top still. So we are going to season on top. First I'll season with salt. No drama, just the basics. Someone asked, Karen, you must show us your recipe. So I'm showing you the recipe. No drama. I do not do drama with my seasoning. I only have 3 seasonings. The white, the red, and the green. So I do not do drama. And sometimes they marinate, yeah? Sometimes they marinate. So here we go. Woo! Now that's drama. So now that's drama, yeah? That's drama. That's lemon and thyme. It's like lemon and herb seasoning. So that's it. I'm going to keep it like lemony. Let me just add a few of my green herbs also. So I'm going to slow roast this, yeah? There we go. No drama, guys. No drama. And I'm going to add more ghee on top. You can put it under the skin, on top of the skin, under the skin for the crispiness. This one will just slide off. But I'm going to do it anyways, because as you cook it, it's going to slide off. But I'm going to do it anyways. So that is my chicken, guys. Yeah, that is my chicken, and it's going to go into the oven. You can do drama with the chicken. You can can do all the drama that you want with the chicken and the potatoes. But me, I do not want drama, guys. I do not want drama. So I'm having this old thing that was in the fridge. So I'm going to cut it. Because you guys like drama. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to take off the pits. Take out the pits. You see, there are pits there. They are deep. Since we are going with the lemon and herb flavor, so just something there. Something there. Let's put it on like buttons, So I do not take out the pits from that one. Pits out from this one. I just want to put it somewhere here, and this one somewhere here. I forgot to take out the pits on this one. Yeah, there it is, guys. No drama. No drama. Let me add my other fresh herbs. Let me add the fresh herbs. I'm having thyme here. So, yeah. Since we are dealing with lemon and thyme, let's add lemon and thyme here. Thyme. So, let's just not overpower it here. Thyme is so good with lemon, with potatoes and chicken. The best, the aroma of it. Smells so nice. Yeah. So you can cover it with foil, you cannot cover it with foil. This one is a little bit cold. It is still chilled. I cut it open, it is still chilled. I took it out before I went to church. So this one is a little bit chilled. So for that, I'll put it in the oven under the rack and at the bottom, so that it cannot burn fast. Yeah, so, and I do not want to cover it so it will create moist. So I'm just going to put it in like this, low heat, let it cook nicely at 180, not at 220. I'll use 180. So let me put it in the oven. Here it is. Simple. At 180, and this is how I'm going to put it under the rack here, under there, so it will cook up nicely. Under, yeltamal honor, under the under. So you see the distance at the bottom of it. So it will cook up nicely at 100. So let me just put it at 200. Because this stove can go up to 250, this oven can go up to 250, so I'll put it at 200. It's been how many minutes? Probably 40 minutes, because I'm cooking on low heat. So I took it out. So I'm basting it with juices which are mostly oily. So I'm just basting it so that it cannot dry out. like it nearly did, especially at the wings. That's why you see people covering the wings and the edges of the drumstick like this so that it cannot burn out. So this process also keeps it moist. I nearly forgot to show you this insert. Actually already busted it, so I wanted to return it to the oven, and then I remembered, oops, I did not give full recipes. Yeah, I just need the cameraman. If I have a cameraman, all will be well. You see, all is coated nicely, so I'll just roll in the potatoes there so that they can also not burn. If you decide how dry they are, but it's cooked. Potatoes also are cooked. What we can do also now is just to turn it around and let it cook the other side. Yeah, that. So we'll let it cook this side. Let's just fill here with oil. Oh my god, guys, the taste. Let me just get a big spoon because it's a process. It's a process and a half. So let me return it into the oven for the same amount of time, 40 minutes, and then allow it to slow cook so that it can fall off the bone.